Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the Zendure SuperBase Pro 2000 power station. This is unlike any power station I have ever seen before. It has a huge capacity, can power and charge multiple devices at the same time if you are on a camping trip or off the grid. Can even power things like a microwave oven, fans, lights, your high definition TV if you lose power in your house. It can even power heavy-duty appliances. And it does this for a prolonged time, not just 10 or 20 minutes, for hours. And of course, I do want to thank Zendure for sponsoring this video, but let's dive in, look at its features, uses, and capabilities. They're mind-blowing. Link to buy one at a massive discount will be down below. So when you buy the Zendure SuperBase Pro, it comes with the actual power station and also a little carrying pouch for various accessories. So in this one, you have a bunch of cables that you can use to charge the power station. You can charge this from an electrical outlet, or you can charge it using solar panels, and all the cables are in fact included in this carrying pouch. And then you have some user guides and stickers. So that's going to be very useful to have and carry with you. All right, so let's look at all the ports on this device. In total, we have 14 output ports. We have 3 DC ports. We have 4 USB Type-C ports. We have 6 AC ports. And then we also have a car output charger, as you can see. Alrighty. Now, I do want to let you know, over here, you can basically plug in anything. These are rated for 2,000 watts of output. So 120 volts, 2,000 watts. I can plug in a blender, a microwave, a hair dryer, a projector, whatever you want, you can just plug it right in here. And as far as capacity is concerned, we have 2 kilowatts of battery capacity in this portable power station. To give you an idea, if you were to plug in a Samsung Galaxy smartphone here, it is able to charge it 166 times. That is insane. And also I want to let you know that these 2 USB Type-C output ports give you 100 watts each. So you can charge a laptop or whatever with these guys. And these 2, they share 20 watts of power, so you can charge smaller items. But if you want fast charging, you got these 2 USB Type-C ports. Now this thing is even compatible with heavy-duty appliances, power tools, and stuff like that. You know, chainsaws, drills, or any motorized device. So look at this. Over here, I have an extremely heavy-duty hammer drill. So I'm going to grab this guy. I'm going to plug in the hammer drill into one of my AC outlets right here. Let's go like this. And then you want to make sure you click the AC button so that the AC outlets are in fact active. So take a look at this. That is crazy that I can do this. And basically I can run this tool off of this power station for 3 to 4 hours, no problem. And take a look at this. If the power goes out of the house, I can run all these appliances at the same time. Each one of these guys is 1,000, 1,500, 1,000 watts. So I can have them running, as you can see, as it's all connected to this guy. So I can turn this on as well, okay? So that's incredible. If the power goes out, I can just have access to this. Now in this example, I have a laptop charging with this, also running on it. I've got a cell phone charging. I've got 3 appliances connected to it. Now one of the craziest things with this power station is how quickly you can charge it. Now to charge, you have a bunch of input ports right here. So if I pull this up, you can see we have AC input, we have solar power input, and a couple other things right here. But here's the crazy part. If I were to plug this guy in, this is just plugged into my AC outlet in my wall, it is going to charge this charger from 0 to 80% in 1 hour. And while it starts to charge, you can see we have a bunch of fans here. They start running. You can hear them right now. They start running to make sure that the power station remains nice and cool. Now these fans are also built in to this side. We have 2 over here and 2 over here. So they're gonna make sure that the power station operates in normal temperature, that it doesn't overheat. But you can see on the display it's charging right now. and it tells you how many watts it's pulling from the AC outlet. So right now it's pulling almost 1800 watts, which is what it is rated to do. So using AC charging, you get 80% of charge in 1 hour, and if you want a full charge, it's going to take 2 hours. If you want to charge even quicker, you can combine AC charging with solar charging. That's going to get you 100% charge from a dead battery in 1.5 hours. So let's say you want to go on a camping trip and you want to take this power station with you to power all your gadgets and tools. You can get a full charge on this thing 2 hours before your trip, or 1.5 hours based on how you decide to charge it. Now, if you do want to charge it using solar panels, you have to purchase them separately. So personally, I just prefer to go to the input and use regular AC charging. That's plenty fast for me. 80% in 1 hour is crazy. Now, one of the reasons Zendure Powerstation is pretty incredible is because it does have wheels and also a handle that can be extended. And then you can easily move this around. So take a look at this. I can extend the handle just like that. Okay. And then I can just move this around. If I'm outdoors, it's very easy to transport and move this. And that's very important because it is in fact a very heavy product. So it was essential to add this handle and the wheels for easy transportation. Another brilliant feature with Zendure Powerstation is the fact that it has built-in household-grade UPS, which stands for uninterruptible power supply. So all you would do is connect SuperBase Pro to a power outlet and then connect all your essential devices that you want keep running if there was a power outage to the SuperBase Pro, and that's it. So if the power goes out in your house, SuperBase Pro will switch over to battery power automatically without interruption. So for example, you can use something like this with a computer, especially if you're in the middle of working. And that's the Zendure SuperBase Pro 2000. Ultra fast charging, as fast as 1.5 hours to charge fully, 14 output ports, UPS functionality built right in, and a large capacity enough to power heavy duty appliances for hours. It's going to be great for power outages or for camping trips for your adventures. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. And of course, the link to buy the power station plus the discounts are down below as well.